Welcome to Juliet's Corner, a place where we explore life's challenges and the ways to overcome them. Today, we delve into the healing of emotional wounds through faith. Emotional wounds, akin to physical ones, need time and the right conditions to heal. Faith in this context is not merely a belief, but a powerful force that can provide those healing conditions. In this video, you'll learn about the step-by-step process of healing emotional wounds through faith. Before we dive into the healing process, it is important to understand what emotional wounds are. Emotional wounds are deep-seated feelings of distress, sorrow, and pain that stem from traumatic events or experiences. They can manifest in various forms such as anxiety, depression, or even physical ailments. These wounds can profoundly affect our lives, influencing how we perceive ourselves and the world around us. They can hinder our ability to form healthy relationships and achieve personal growth. Therefore, it is crucial to address and heal these wounds. Faith can serve as a potent tool in this healing process. It can provide a sense of hope, strength, and resilience in the face of adversity. It can guide us through the darkest times, illuminating a path towards healing and peace. Now that we have a better understanding of emotional wounds, we can explore how faith aids in healing them. Faith, which is a strong belief or trust, can be a powerful tool in the healing process. Let's delve deeper into how faith plays a significant role in healing. When we're faced with emotional wounds, faith provides a beacon of hope amidst the darkness. Psalm chapter 147 verse 3. It ignites a spark within us, a belief that brighter days are ahead. This is crucial because hope can be the first step towards healing. Faith also gives us strength. Let gives us assurance of the healing power of God. It's like an inner compass guiding us through life's tumultuous storms. Psalm chapter 119, verse 105. It helps us to persevere, even when our emotional wounds feel unbearable. Moreover, faith imparts a sense of purpose. It helps us understand that our trials and tribulations are part of a larger narrative. This perspective can provide comfort, allowing us to view our emotional wounds not as permanent scars, but as stepping stones towards personal growth and enlightenment. With faith as our ally, we can begin the healing process. Healing through faith involves several steps, each important in its own way. Let's explore these steps together. The sentiment of acknowledging emotional wounds aligns with the biblical principle of recognizing our struggles and bringing them before God for healing. In Psalm 34:18 NIV, it says, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit," emphasizing the importance of acknowledging our brokenness and turning to God for comfort and restoration. Similarly, James 5:16 NIV highlights the significance of confessing our struggles and seeking support from others for healing. Therefore, acknowledging emotional wounds is not a sign of weakness, but rather a step towards healing and restoration. By acknowledging our pain and bringing it to God, we open ourselves to His healing power and find comfort in His presence. Next, we seek guidance through faith. This is where we turn to our faith for clarity and direction. It's like using a compass in the middle of a dense forest. Our faith guides us, providing us with a path to follow. This path may not always be clear, but faith assures us that we are never truly lost. Now we find strength and forgiveness in faith. Strength is needed to face our emotional wounds, and forgiveness to let go of the pain they cause. It's like carrying a heavy load up a steep hill. The load may be heavy, but faith gives us the strength to carry it, and forgiveness lightens the load. Finally, we move forward with faith. This is where we take the lessons we've learned from our emotional wounds and use them to grow. It's like planting a seed in the ground. The seed may be small, but with faith, it can grow into a mighty tree. So we've seen how healing through faith involves acknowledging our emotional wounds, seeking guidance, finding strength and forgiveness, and moving forward. Each step is a part of the journey, each one leading us closer to healing. Remember, healing is not a destination, but a journey. There may be obstacles along the way, but with faith as our guide, we can overcome them. By following these steps, you can begin your journey towards healing. It's a journey that requires courage, patience, and above all, faith. But remember, you're not alone. Your faith is with you, guiding you every step of the way. Healing emotional wounds is not a quick process, but with faith, it is possible. We've walked through understanding emotional wounds, the role of faith in healing, and the steps towards healing through faith. Now it's your turn to begin your journey. Remember, faith is your guide and strength in this healing process. Thank you for watching our video. Remember, healing starts with you. If you found this video helpful, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Juliet's Corner, wishing you strength and peace on your healing journey.